Welcome to Festool TV. My name is Frank, and today I'd like to show you the compact router modular system. The base frames in this modular plate are part of the modular system. We can assemble different routers from the Festool company on this modular plate. Adaptation takes place with these rings. That is, I need this black ring for the 1010 router. For the 1400, I need this gray one. And for the 2200, this green one. Using the OF 2200 as an example, I'd like to show you how to assemble it here. First, we must ask, why assemble? It's very simple. Here I can convert hand-operated routers or circular saws into stationary machines. In other words, a circular saw into a table saw, and here in this example, the router into a table router. This green ring will now be put in this insert and rotated to the correct position. On the router itself, we release this plate with the green lever. And screw a locator pin to the side of the router so that later, when assembling it, we have the exact position on the modular plate. The depth is now also adjusted in order to be able to drill into this unit more easily with the machine. In order to be able to drill into this unit more easily with the machine. So the router is now in place. We put everything in this basic unit, and thus I can adjust everything exactly and also secure it accordingly. I secure it with these clips. That means they are attached here, and the whole body is pushed downwards. Now the clamps are released, and the body of the machine automatically goes upwards due to the spring force. Now I can check the function of the depth adjustments with this crank. So far, the assemblage is closed. Everything is now rotated so that later the router will be positioned above. Before I position the modular plate exactly in this basic unit, I turn everything on with my power so that afterwards it can be turned off and on comfortably. The two drills enable me to insert everything with my fingers. Via a screwdriver, these screws can now be screwed in tightly. Next, we assemble the router. To do this, I take this crank, place it here, turn the body of the machine upwards, and now I can either construct end mill cutters, that is 8 millimeters, 12 millimeters, or thread millers in this equipment. Everything is now locked with the shaft lock and tightened with the screw cap. This ratchet system is also comfortable, which makes it easier for me to tighten.
To
optimize the suction, we have here this plastic ring, which is placed in this opening and locked. We will turn the router downwards over this mechanism, and now I can cover this opening with different ring inserts.
Und jetzt kann ich diese Öffnung mittels verschiedener Einlegeringe abdecken.
From this point, it's possible to insert and align the corresponding heights with precision in millimeters, a tenth of a millimeter.
Im Millimeter, Zehntelmillimeter Bereich exakt zu justieren.
To push the workpieces along the router, I of course need the stop system. This stop system has two fastening screws, as well as the corresponding insert option for different applications. The stop system is secured to these drill holes via the fastening screws. Two marks show me exactly the positioning in the rear area with this stop.
Positionierung ich mit diesem Anschlag hier einnehme.
To carry out precise insert work on the router, I can pivot the whole unit upwards,
kann ich die ganze Einheit hier nach oben schwenken und sehe jetzt
and now see my router very well. The feeding ruler can shrink the opening here.
Die Öffnung nun verkleinern. Und sobald ich diese
And as soon as I have carried out this adjustment, I can pivot the whole thing back down. The pressure bar, this black one, enables me to press thin blocks with certain pressure downwards. The transparent protective cover also works to press to the stop on the long and thin workpieces, or also gives certain protection for the user's hands.
Beziehungsweise auch einen gewissen Schutz für den Anwender bzw. für die Hände des Anwenders zu haben.
Of course, we now switch on the suction system with a 36 suction hose, then the power, and now we can get going using this compact modular system, the Festool router. In the next episode, I would like to show you how we work with this system. That is, how a rabbit is made, picture frames, door rabbits, etc. I hope you had fun watching routers being assembled, and I look forward to the next time. Until then, Frank.